How's it going, y'all? I'm here with a very interesting product. So this hat looks like an ordinary hat. It looks really comfortable. It looks like it's something you'd wear in the winter, but this hat has a trick up its sleeve. So this is the Bluetooth beanie from Amazon. And so how this works is, say you want to listen to music, but you don't want to bring headphones or earbuds or something. Do you want to hand me my phone over there? So what you do is you have this little selector button right here. So this controls the music to play and stop. This plus and minus lets you change songs. And to turn it on, you hold the button down. And it takes a little bit. Come on now. You can do it. Alright. Then you'll see a little light flash there. Yeah, it's kind of hard to see. Alright, and once you've got the hat turned on, you go into your Bluetooth menu. And then, so this hat registers as BT01 in my settings. It'll say not connected. And then give it a second to connect. I know for a fact I just charged this hat, so if it doesn't turn on, I'm going to be upset. Oh, come on. I know you're turned on. Oh, there it goes. Okay, so there's a blue and red light in here. So it says BT01 connected, which means the hat is ready to use. And so all you do is you take the hat, and there's two speakers in here. So one where the controls are, and one on the other side where the batteries are. And you put it on. You pick the music of your choice. Let's say we want to listen to Metallica. So I'm putting on Fuel by Metallica. And of course ads are gonna play. Come on. Alright. So I'm hearing the music in my ears right now. So I guess we'll give you guys a listen here. So yeah, any song you want, you can play directly in your ears. A little complaint I do have is you have to turn the volume all the way up on your phone or whatever device you're listening on to get a good sound out of it. And you have a little bit of room. Oh, actually halfway sounds pretty good too. And let's see. Now we can change songs by hitting the plus and minus here. So, I don't know if you guys can see this. So yeah, I'll hit one of the buttons here. Like minus here. And it'll change the song. And then I'll hit the middle button again to pause it. It takes a little bit of getting used to be able to control it really easily. Because it would probably be annoying for you to want to hit pause or play or something and you accidentally change the song. But if I just feel right in the middle here, I just pause it. So, really easy, really awesome. Like I said, you can pick this up on Amazon. I'll even show you the listing for it. So yeah, if you search up music beanie hat, you'll get something like this. And it runs you about 26 bucks. I'd give this a product rating of 8 out of 10. All the controls and wires fit in really nicely. You hardly even see any of this stuff. If you want to tuck it in, you can. And the charger it comes with is just a standard micro USB.
How long does the battery last?
The battery, I haven't fully tested it, but I want to say around 3 or 4 hours. Alright, so this was Meatball's product reviews. Signing off.